Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. Something that happens to the bike. So not too sure what's the issue, but we noticed that it suddenly doesn't come on. So it's already on, but it doesn't light up. Okay, you can clearly see that the light bulb is lit, not to the brightest. So it indicates that the battery is weak. So right now we can't start the bike because the e-starter doesn't work. Okay, the only way is to do kickstart. Okay, it has been a while since I do this. Okay, after a few tries, finally we managed to kickstart the bike. However, we realized that this neutral light is quite dim and it flickers. Not sure you can see here. The brake light actually flickers as well. So now the issue is once you do the kill switch, it's just dead by itself. So I can't start. Okay, so we're not sure what's the issue. It might be the rectifier, which is not working, the battery is weak, or maybe the stator is not charging up the battery. We currently don't have a multimeter, so what we can do is to charge up the battery and then see how it goes. So to open up is quite simple. Just plug in this, twist it open, then you can remove this panel. Then you'll see your battery here. What we're gonna do here is to just charge the battery and see how it goes. So why we start off with the battery? Because it's the easiest part. The stator is here inside this cover, or the other side, I'm not too sure, I need to go find out, but it looks like here because the wire is here. And then here is the regulator or the rectifier. So we got our charger set up. So all we have to do is to connect this crocodile clip onto the terminals. So to test if it's a battery issue, so we swap with another new battery from another bike. So we are able to start, okay, with this new battery. So why we did that was because we have been charging this battery for I think about 3 hours now. It doesn't even move a bit, so we suspect it's the battery that is not working. So we are not sure whether it will charge also because we don't have a multimeter to measure this. So what we can do now is just buy a new battery, put it in, and see how it goes after some time. We came to Motor World to pick up our new battery. So we got this Power Road battery. So it says here maintenance free. Thought it's already a pre-mixed product, but however I need to fill in my own acid. Here's how we gotta do it. We gotta strip off this and then expose this, and then we need to pour the acid over. So it comes with a needle. And then we flip over, and then we use this to create air pocket, so it will flow. Okay, it's done. So what we need to do is just plug out. Okay, and then just use this cover to cover it up. So 30 minutes later, and then the reading is 12.7 and it's ready to be installed. Ta-da! Okay, before you buy your battery, you need to check out the specification, especially the voltage, the amp, and also the dimension before you fit it in. So this will be the video for today. Thank you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.